Tank, Sugar, Coco, Dinner, Memphis, Rampage, and Rascal.
Told you after so many days, let them lack, let them run.
You know, if you train your dog to be human friendly, you know, I think you're gonna have a good dog. As that breed, I think it's a misunderstanding on them. I mean, you know, of course, you know, the Michael Vick case didn't help out none, but you can't blame a dog for what its owners have it to do. You know, that's just like if your kids turn bad, you know, you gotta look at the parents sometime or later, you know. If you can like transfer their energy from being aggressive to playful, which is may have you know, you have to walk them every day, or you know, just play with them every day. I mean, you got to transfer that aggression they have, because you know, if they keep it balled up, of course they're gonna be anxious to try this and do that. And it's really, I can't really say a pit bull is a fighting breed, because I feel like any dog will fight if pushed to that point. I mean, I look at it as a human. If somebody slap a person, you know, he's gonna, not to say he's not a boxer, but he's gonna retaliate. You know, so I look at it with the dog fighting things. I say it's kind of wrong to say a pit bull is just for fighting. I love my dogs because the reason, I mean, dogs is kind of like human. They just got different characteristics, except for they just don't talk. You know, and the reason why I love my dogs so much is because, I mean, it's just, they fun. Like, even when you're down, your dogs seem to they'll do something that's funny to you, you know? Like, my dogs have some days, like, my one dog I keep in Portland with me, I come in the house and he'll just be looking up at me like, you know, want me to tell him to do something. I mean, it's a good feeling, you know?